Okay, so the past few decades of research about dietary fats has been confusing at best. That doesn't come as a surprise though, because fats can either fight or promote inflammation and insulin resistance. The key is to know which fats to choose so you can add flavor and nutrients that also benefit your overall health. Despite the lingering misconceptions about dietary fat, the reality here is that healthy fats, including certain cooking oils, can deliver powerful benefits like lowering inflammation and improving insulin sensitivity. Fats are also necessary for the absorption of nutrients that are vital to our metabolic health, like vitamins A, D, E, and K. Again, the key is to know which fats to choose and to know how fats affect your metabolic health. Your body needs dietary fats to protect organs, support cell function, make hormones, and provide energy. And even though it sounds counterintuitive, swapping in some fat for other components in your meals can help you feel full for longer and may help you lose weight or maintain healthy weight. In addition to that, because fats digest slower than other nutrients, it means that your fat can inhibit your body's glycemic response and help blunt a blood sugar spike. That being said, the wrong kind of fat, such as trans fat, can trigger changes in your cells that lead to inflammation. So, there are three kinds of fats you should know of: trans fats, which is best avoided; saturated fats, which are found in animal products and tropical oils like coconut oil; and unsaturated fats, both monounsaturated fats found in olive oil and polyunsaturated fats found in fatty fish. You can learn more about each of these in the full-length blog post linked in the description of this video. Now, let's talk about which kind of fat you should be cooking with. Let's start with olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is high in monounsaturated fats, vitamins E and K, and polyphenol antioxidants that protect against inflammation. According to a study of nearly 93,000 people, those who averaged a tablespoon of olive oil a day had an 18% lower chance of developing heart disease compared to those who ate less olive oil. Now, olive oil is best for low temperature cooking because it has a low smoke point. So if you're looking to do something like sear a steak, avocado oil might be a better alternative because it has a higher smoke point at 520 degrees. Avocado oil also has a similar nutrient breakdown as olive oil, so you can experience similar benefits. Coconut oil is also a good one to add into the mix when you're cooking. While research is mixed and more is needed to determine the long-term effects of this oil, it has been linked with benefits like weight loss due to the fact that it may be more likely to be burned for energy than stored as fat. A few others that should be on your radar are butter, ghee, MCT oil, and rendered fats like beef tallow. Check that link in the description to take a closer look at these. And remember, fats can either fight or promote inflammation, so be sure to choose wisely. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.